Welcome to the first in a series of videos of how to answer exam questions for the Foundational Catholic Theology paper. The questions that I'll be answering in these series I have created based on elements of the specification that haven't been examined for a while, and also ways in which questions could be worded that could cause students problems. There is no guarantee that these questions will ever feature on a GCSE exam paper, but should questions worded like this or similarly appear on the paper, hopefully these videos will help you prepare for those questions and be able to answer them to the fullness of your ability. We will start by looking at potentially the two hardest key term questions on the Foundational Catholic Theology paper, and these are Revelation and Transcendence. So some of the key terms within the Foundational Catholic Theology paper can be answered very briefly in a couple of words, but Revelation and Transcendence do require a full sentence. So if you can see here, what does the term revelation mean? It is the way in which God makes himself known to people. That, within a sentence, is going to get you 2 marks. Equally, what does the term transcendence mean? That God exists outside of time and space. The key thing there is that you are using the word God very clearly. If you are using one of the textbooks for your revision, it starts, the term is defined as existing outside of time and space, and then refers to God later within the definition. This is a shorter version and a quicker and therefore more efficient way to revise and get full marks in your exam questions. So when you are looking at those key terms and you are revising them, do look at ways that you can paraphrase what is provided within the textbook and within the specification to make it a little bit easier for you to remember and a little bit quicker for you to write down, so that ultimately you're able to get through those questions in no more than a minute per question, ideally kind of a minute for both of those questions getting completed.